We all have 24 hours in a day, and trading should not be taking up more than 5 minutes of your time. And I literally mean 5 minutes. You should be analyzing the markets in under 5 minutes, and with the whole trading aspect, you should be enjoying your life on a beach sipping a margarita. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I analyze the markets in under 5 minutes and how I have a life filled with freedom where I'm not tied to the markets and I'm a slave to the markets. And guys, I am having a massive Black Friday sale. So if you want to get all my products for literally 75% off, follow me on Instagram. I'm launching that Friday at 12 p.m. PST. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of content based around US 30 and trading in general. And guys, if you want other traders to get this valuable information and see a breakthrough with their trading and just be a good human being, hit that like button below for me. That would mean a ton. Now, let's get into my computer and I'll show you all the juicy information and how I trade in under 5 minutes a day. Alright guys, we are in my computer. I'm going to show you guys how I analyze the markets in under 5 momentos a day. So what we're going to do is replay and we're going to go to 6:15. So this is like my routine when I am trading in the morning. Okay, wake up. This is what I've been doing as of today. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I take a shower. I feel like when you take a shower in the mornings, that's what actually fully wakes you up. At least for me, I need to take a shower to feel alert and alive and to look good, of course. So the first thing that I do when I wake up at 6 a.m., I take a shower. Next thing that I do after I get out of the shower is I make some tea or coffee, or if you're hardcore, you can drink an energy drink. Then after that, I show up to the markets. Thank you for that autocorrect. Show up at the markets at 6:25 a.m. That is my morning routine, okay? Now, once I show up to the markets at 6:25, this is how I am analyzing the markets. This candle right here would close at 6:30. So I would have 5 minutes to analyze the whole thing about the markets, everything that I need to look for. So usually when I'm trading, I do go to the daily, not as much anymore, but usually what I'm doing is I'm looking at the previous daily candle. So I can see that this is the current daily candle. It already shows what happened. It pushes up, obviously, but I'm looking at like the overall like outlook of the market, and we're in a clear uptrend. Once again, I'm looking for like those V patterns, those A patterns, any reversal candles, continuation candles that are going to tell me the market's going to do a certain action. So I can see right off the bat, like we're in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this right here is construed to me as a higher low. We have this beautiful spinning top that did close and it started to push up. So right off the bat, daily bullish, okay? Then I'm going to go to the 4 hour, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, the 4 hour time frame with US 30 just goes in confluence so well. I absolutely love it lately. And the candle that I'm looking at is this one right here. The candle that opens at 2 a.m. and closes at 6 a.m. So when I was looking at this candle on Tuesday, I was like, bruh, that's a beautiful hammerhead candle. Previous candle was a hammerhead too. We are rejecting our 20 EMA right here. I don't know why I clicked that. We are rejecting our 20 EMA right here. And I was like, wow, this is going to be a beautiful setup. Guys, major hack for you. If you ever see candles with wicks hitting the EMA like this, like gently above it, gradually above the EMA, and it just wicks like that, closes above, it's going to reject that zone very heavily. You guys can see in the past, if I could find another example for you guys, like right here, how this bullish engulfing hit it. It doesn't occur as much as I want. Like right here, beautiful, the spinning top or bearish candle you would like to call it, hits that EMA, the 20 EMA, and then just tanks. So looking at the markets, I'm like, bro, hour 4 bullish, that 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. candle right here, absolutely bullish. We have a hammerhead candle. This thing's going to fly. Then I'm going to the 1 hour time frame, and I'm looking at that 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. candle. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, okay, we're bullish there. Previous candle was bullish. We had our higher low form right here. We have a shooting star candle rejecting the 20 EMA once again, as we saw on the hour 4. We're looking Gucci. This is looking like a really good setup. So obviously this had already happened right here, this candle. Let me see if I could take this back. So this is kind of how the markets would be looking. And I was like, all right, we're bullish. We're looking good. And I brought it down to the minute 15. Let me get to that 615 candle. And then the 615 candle, I got to it. And I was like, okay, this is looking good. Now this is very, very important right here. I'm entering a buy or sell position 3 seconds before the candle closes. So you guys all know how on the candle we have a ticker with current prices. So if we're at current price, it would show you we have 10 minutes left, 5 minutes left, 3 minutes left, whatever it may be. When that countdown timer has 3 seconds left, I've already formulated my bias. I know whether I'm going to buy or sell. I just need that candle at 6:30 to close exactly how I want. So when it has 3 seconds left, I can't stress how important this is. When it has 3 seconds left on that countdown timer, boom, I'm hitting my buy or sell position. And then I have my take profit and stop loss already marked up. So let's say that we have usually I'm doing this 30 seconds before. I'm like, all right, perfect. I know what my bias is going to be. I'm going to have my stops right below this low. Then I'm going to have my TP right at this 34,000 level. To put up that long position, that took less than 10 seconds. So 30 seconds before that candle is about to close, it is crunch time. My bias is formulated. I know what I'm going to do. I have my stop loss here, my take profit. But it takes time to enter the stop loss and take profit. So when that candle is about to close 3 seconds before, nowadays I'm just using my phone. I'm literally just making trading super simplified, where I'm trading on my computer to do my analysis, but then I have MetaTrader 4 on my phone, and that's actually where I'm entering the buy or sell position. So when it has 3 seconds left, I'm on my phone like this, and I'm like, all right, let me make sure. And also, you kind of want to look at the chart on MetaTrader 4, because the chart that is aligned with your broker is going to be more accurate than the chart on TradingView. So definitely kind of compare. If you guys go back to Tuesday, I think it was, what day was this? 23rd. So Wednesday, just go to Wednesday. I'll show you guys right now after I explain this. But I'll explain it to you guys, and then we'll go over this chart here. But look at this chart to make sure it lines up with the chart on here, and I'll tell you guys in a sec. So once I have 3 seconds left, boom, I'm entering my buy or sell position, and I have my take profit and stop loss put, and I'm letting the markets do their thing. I have alerts like you guys can do this. Let me exit the replay mode. This video is sponsored by my program, FX University. Go to the link in the description to sign up, or there should be a link on this page. Once you go to join now, you're going to go to get started, and once you do, we're going to give you a code for 15% off. Go right here where it says to add promo code, type in FX1 and click apply. Now if we go back to our position, we can add an alert. So I could just add an alert right here. I'm going to type in my TP level 34,000, and I'm going to go down here, US 30 TP hit. Simple. And then I'm going to put an alert for my stop loss. So these numbers right here is where I'm going to enter my stop loss. 33,793.9. And then I'm going to put US 30 stop loss hit. So I don't have to be present in front of the markets staring at the computer like a crazy person. I have my alert set. I can go about my day. I can go for a walk with my dog. I can work on my other businesses. The thing with trading is so many of you associate trading with is I never understood this, how people say, I'm going to start trading full time. Bro, trading isn't even part time. Trading should be taking 5 minutes out of your day every single day. At least with this strategy that I'm using, it only requires 5 minutes. And that's what I want you guys to understand is you have a beautiful skill set in your paws right now. A beautiful skill set. that only requires 5 minutes of your time each day, and you can go about your life, and we make money hands-free. Like, guys, put your take profit, put your stop loss, set and forget, go about your day. Too many of you are worried about what the markets are doing, and it's consuming your day-to-day life, and your mind is constantly thinking about trading, when you should have other aspects of your life. You should have a routine so you're not constantly focused on trading and being dependent upon it. Okay? Now, let me show you guys, there's alerts. Let me delete these. I don't need these. Yes, I want to delete. Okay. Now, I said I want to go to Wednesday, and I want to show you guys a similarity. So, if we go on Wednesday, this candle, this is what you guys need to do. I have, just for my broker right now, I think I have this one under Hugo's Way or my forex funds. But if we go on MetaTrader 4, this 615 to 630 candle closed bearish. Like, it honestly kind of looks like a doji. It's already dropping like it could drop. But on MetaTrader 4, it didn't close red. It closed green right here. So it closed bullish. So you want to kind of compare the chart right here with your trading view chart and make sure it lines up perfectly. Just like the candles is what I'm looking for, how they close. So if I would have sold out on Wednesday and I compared it to trading view, I'm like, okay, it looks better on MetaTrader 4 than trading view. So once it comes down to like entering your trade, like you got a 30-second crunch window. Like you need to make shit happen within 30 seconds. Like getting your trade set up with the long and short position, putting your take profit and stop loss. That should be figured out, predetermined, and boom, just taking your position. Guys, I hope that you got value from this video. Go and apply what I just taught you on a chart. Or better yet, figure out what is my morning routine going to be in the morning. What time am I going to wake up? What time am I going to trade? Because you guys should be trading at the same time every single day. And then figure out like how much time do I need to do my analysis. But realistically, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Like this is a very quick process to figure out what trades you're going to take and everything. So without further ado, guys, I will leave you alone for the rest of the day. Peace out. Have a good one and happy Thanksgiving.